So that's
Okay.
super handy. Yeah. And then I also, here's another tip on that front lock, um, have it set so it auto locks in 30 seconds. Because
Mm,
that was one concern I had is what if people don't remember to lock the door behind them when they
yeah,
come,
that's a good
yeah, when they
point.
come in. And so I just have it set where it automatically locks after 30 seconds. And then I told everybody it's part of the notes when they move in
Hmm.
on how to use the door code. And I put in there, be sure that you know it's gonna auto lock in 30 seconds. And the bedroom locks are already set up to auto lock within, I think, 5 seconds. So
Okay.
they're already familiar with that.
Okay.
Yeah, I use the same code for the room lock as I do for the front door for that room. That way they don't have to try to remember two
Two
different
different
codes.
ones. Yeah, that's smart.
Yeah, yeah. It took me a while. I had to think about that one. I was like, wait a minute. And then the other thing I noticed was the door locks, if you let it assign a code, it's like 10 digits long. And it's like nobody wants to have to deal with putting a 10-digit code in.
Right.
So I did custom codes for all of the doors so that it's only 4 digits. And
Yeah.
then they put the pound key and make that the same as the front door